Bronx, Ontario. There's a liquor store. It's a great place to go to. It's kind of nice that you can go, but you shouldn't drink it that much. And it's not a blue moon for me yet, but.
See that? Remember that tote that you had? That one little tiny tote? Now look at yourself. Look at this stay to you.
Oh fuck! The ninja, dude. I've seen you in fucking movies for years, man. You're fucking great. The M80 in the diaper trick.
Oh, buddy, you want to put an M80 in your fucking diaper, dude?
Yeah.
Listen, we'll put a diaper on you, shit it, and we'll put a fucking M80 in the shit, and then fucking light the thing off while you're running full bore down the road. For a movie. And action. You know what I mean? It's just acting. It's just acting, buddy. Remember when Nelson was just firing logs of shit at you and stuff? He was like lobbing piles of dog shit at Doodle and stuff. For a movie. Oh, Nick! He's a fucking star. Eh? And the star got born, didn't he? Oh. Oh. That makes me feel warm and fuzzy inside. And like the tip gets tingly. Ooh! That looked like the Nelsapini.
Don't let the vultures get you.
Hey? Now play that song.
The string's not there, so it screws me up.
Here, I should try to get some good shots of that big crack mark on your skull. How'd you do that again?
Well, don't get jammed in the eye with the fucking string. I know that.
Oh, buddy, you're just rocking out terrible, eh?
Actually,
Was it drop D?
so much stuff will be wasted out of work and down. All inside was so frustrating as we get from town to town. You don't know what it's like, you don't have a clue. If you think you'll find yourself doing the same thing too. Breaking the law, 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 breaking the law. You don't know what it's like.
The breakdown, yeah.
Just a breakdown, that's all I can do right now.
The bass in there.
Breaking the law, breaking the law. Breaking the law, breaking the law. Breaking the law, breaking the law. Breaking the law, breaking the law.
Freaking right, buddy. Hey, did.
On
How'd
Pug's
you do that?
guitar, rusty old strings,
That's Dirty Teabag's guitar.
dirty tea bags.
Eh?
Dirty tea bag.
Speaking of Teabag, have you met Doodle?
Nope,
Oh, you didn't?
maybe I have.
Bags.
Oh, you're turning the shit out of that. Look at them go, boys. Holy shit.
Here we go, original.
Goodness gracious. You fucking ripped tit, dude.
Oh, I
Make sure
should.
you buckle up for safety. Well, it was good seeing you, buddy.
It was good seeing you too.
I didn't really enjoy seeing the cops, but
No, me either.
I'm glad I was able to stop you from absolutely getting the shit pounded out of you and going to prison.
You're right. Well, they wouldn't have pounded me out, but they would have tackled me for sure, and it would have been a long stay.
If you would have struggled, they'd have pounded you. And you usually struggle. You don't just give up willy-nilly, do you?
You're right.
You know? It's like if you just submit, then they probably wouldn't pound you, but you start biting their fingers and really fucking scrambling terrible, and that's when they just start just laying the boots to you. Isn't it, buddy? Feel me?
I hear you. I hear you. This was a great trip, man.
Must be.
Great trip.
What do you do usually for your spare time?
I've been sleeping a lot. My knees are real bad. They have to be busted.
What happened? You got it busted?
Busted the one breaking a door down, and I busted it again. Rollerblading.
Breaking a door down? What do you mean?
Breaking down a door, just being stupid.
Were you just running full blast at a door and you just snapped your legs? Tell me what happened.
Door broke open, bent the U-bolt like a bent the deadbolt like a U-bolt.
But your leg also bent.
Yeah.
Oh goodness. Was it awesome?
No pain,
Did they give you any good dope?
No good dope.
Oh man, they would have fucked you up.
Oh yeah, big fuck up.
They would have just completely fucking smashed your face in. Oh man, you would have had a great big staple in your head again.
Yeah.
Fuck. That sucks, eh?
Yeah.
Forgot about that. Right in the fucking big fucking frog neck, eh? Goodness gracious.
I almost want to shop at your grocery store, but we'll go back the way you know, because that might stir things up.
Yeah, I'll grab you some burgers or something over there too.
I even pinched it a bit to find out, and it crushed right in. See that sign on there? It's just got a little bit of glue in it. Keeps it from tarnishing.
Scorsese?
Scorsese?
Yeah.
I should make you one. Give it to you. You can make your own. Now I remember. We flew.
What was right?
You were with me. Remember when we flew?
Where did we fly?
Like Peter Pan in the sky.
Oh, on the magic carpet.
The magic carpet. You're awesome, bud.
Yeah.
I mean it. I've been in my head right now listening to these people talk. I mean, you're the real deal, man.
Oh, what happened?
Nothing happened. Just good person, right from birth. I see it. One time I seen the Shoppers Drug Mart sign, and some of the letters were burned out on it, and it said Shoppers G Mart.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
Yeah, lucky. Holy fuck, look at, there's the parking lot where we were doing fucking donuts. What are you doing here?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, smoke some cigarettes, dude.
Oh, I smoke so many cigarettes, it'll be fucking insane. I'm gonna smoke my head off, man.
Right on, buddy.
Good night.
Smoke cigarettes.
Smoke cigarettes.
Yeah. Oh shit, you got a candle going in there. Fucking almost burning the place down. Of course, the Ninja leaves candles going in this place. Anyways, boys, we made her back. Sad situation the ninja's got himself into. Couldn't imagine. Just wish there was something I could do, but I have to just do what we can for him when we can, and when he's able to sort of accept it and freaking go from there. But it's good seeing him and different things. At least he's still kicking the whole lighter on the hand thing. That's kind of not good. Hopefully he stops doing stuff like that. But yeah, we had dirty old Joshua come slave labor friggin' fish tank from the 3rd story of the stovepipe for the old ladies. I guess that's the 13th one she's got going in the living room now, but she's got one spare one in the bedroom. There's one outside over here, and so there's 14, 15 of the cocksuckers so far. You know, 4 55 gallons, now 125 gallon. The rest of them are all 10 to 30 gallon. It's a lot of free gallons. Oh, I'm tired, terrible, holy shit, a long day. But anyways, boys, don't forget to check out the onepickup.com. We've got maybe a couple more days left on the big sale there, 10 to 25% off everything in the store. And the Patriotics, there's going to be, you know, a couple gritties coming up here shortly. But yeah, friggin' if you don't check it out, you'll never sant this. And then today we had the Sundards, Fundards, and this and that. We had Doodle and the Ninja and everybody on. It's friggin' a couple days before it was ever even santas on the YouTube. So you get all type of friggin' different type of things happening on the Patreons. Fucking shots of Nelson's hammer and shit. It's fucking grimy, pulsating, bulbous on the end type situation he's got going on. But I'm just making that part up, of course. But I'm pretty sure the calendars are only going to be available to the Patreomics. We just got to get the son of a bitches made first. Hopefully, hopefully he can figure out the emails. Hey, hopefully he can figure out the email there for himself. But anyways, boys, friggin', yeah, visit with the Ninja. Best suspect it. Double finger fights that like button if you missed a couple of itches from early. But there you go, another dick. Until tomorrow.
Don't the waters get you.